Day 50 living in Japan and day 24 working. Today we will show you our usual morning routine. Good morning.
About to eat breakfast. Look what we got.
Breakfast.
Rose, you stinking.
Let's
Let's go working. Every day you seem like you're dying climbing this hill. And I feel so energetic. Woo! Yay, going to the farm.
Thank you for watching our video and to all our followers.